In that section, we are going to discuss the first point, that is notice writing. Friends, you know these words so many times, and we have got the notice from. So now the question is here, what is meant by notice? Notice is an important form of a written communication. It convey information or make announcement. Okay, it is an important form of a written communication. See, we are getting notice in the written form only, and it used to convey the information or make announcement. Why we use it? To convey, to give the information to the particular group, for example, and it used by individual as well as organization or committee. We can give the notice to a particular person, we can give the notice to a particular organization or particular committee. Okay, so what is meant by notice? Once again I am revising it. Notice is an important form of written communication. It used to convey information or to make announcement. It is used by individuals, means for the particular person you can get a notice, as well as organization or committees. Okay, so what is meant by notice I discussed with you. Now how to write in particular format is required. Whenever you will write this notice, at that time you have to write in a particular format. This is very important, and one important thing is that this question is having for 5 marks in your exam. Okay, see friends, format of writing notice. What you have to do while writing the notice, at the beginning of the notice you have to write the name of organization, institutions issuing at the top. For example, your school is issuing notice. Here, what you have to do, you have to write the name of institution or name of organization, who is issuing the notice. That name of that organization, name of that institution you have to write at the top. Then after you have to write the word notice here. Okay, then after that you have to write date here. After that you will mention the subject, why you are writing this notice. Okay, then after content. Okay, then after name and designation of a person that you have to mention here. This is the format of writing notice. Please friends, please note down this format in your notebook. The first point is here, include the content of notice in box. It is very important. You have to write all contents in a box only. Adhere the word limit is given. Suppose you have to write in 50 words, 70 words, okay, 50 words, 70 words, 100 words, that word limit is given. You have to stick with, you have to adhere with the word limit is given. Content of your notice must be included in a target group. See friends, what is meant by target group? Means to whom you are writing this letter. To that particular group you have to address. Your content must address to that particular group. What it is about, why you are writing. Okay? I will give you an example. In that example I will explain it again. Details of content you have to explain in details within a specific word limit. Okay, that point you have to do. Now the question is here, how the language should be. Now the next type of that, about the language of notice. How, what kind of language, how you have to write, in which language you have to write. How the language should be of any notice, that point we will explain now. It may be received and prefaces. In a limited words you have to write it. The third person pronunciation you have to use, because you are addressing this notice to someone, to the particular group, and that's why third person pronouns we are using here. Generally we are writing this notice in a present tense, future tense should be used here. We have to use future tense and present tense while writing any notice. So after discussing of language, then we turn towards the types of notice. Suppose the meeting has been arranged and you have to attend this meeting. Okay, the particular group has announced the meeting and you have to attend this meeting that time we are getting the notice that called meeting notice. We are discussing the type of notice. Events, the particular group has organized the event and they have issued the notice to the members of that group. Okay, that is called events notice. Lost or found. Suppose you have lost your ring in college premise. Okay, and someone got it, and when your teachers are writing this notice, okay, someone has lost the ring in the college premise, was lost the ring in the college premise, now it has got okay, that is called lost and found notice. Then appeal and warnings. Appeal means what? Suppose any situation occur there, for example the flood occur in the Konkan region and you have to collect the money for that. You have to appeal the people to collect the money, that called appeal notice. The change and name of address. See, these are the several types of notice. Given one example for your better understanding. Look at this. You are Hari or Anita, head boy of your school. Draft a notice inviting captain and vice captain to discuss the upcoming Teachers' Day celebration. You have to write the notice. Who is writing this notice? Hari or Anita. Designation is here. The head boy of your school. Now how to write it? Okay, as I told you, who is sending this notice? You have to write here the name of that institution or organization here. See, ABC School Patna, name of institution. Then after you have to write in a capital format the word notice. After that you will write date here. See, I have taken 22 August 2021. 22 August 2021, that date has taken here. Then after the subject, Teachers' Day celebration. Why you are writing this? Notice about Teachers' Day celebrations. Now see, Teachers' Day celebration has given here. We are celebrating it on 5th September. Okay, so we have organizing that event, and for the preparation of that event we have to organize the meeting. Okay, and so prior date is required. I want to tell you prior date is very much important here. 22 August 2021. Okay, someone is writing that 5th September 2021. That is wrong, because we have to celebrate the Teachers' Day is celebrating at a school, and the prior preparation of that day we have organized a meeting. Head boy of the school has organized a meeting, and that's why 22 August. Okay, see how to write it. Subject written, after that content. All house captain and vice captains are requested to meet in the assembly hall on Tuesday, 27th August 2021 at 2:50 p.m. At 2:50 p.m. to discuss the celebration of upcoming Teachers' Day. See friends, I have written content in a very lucid language by using the third person pronoun, by using present tense and future tense format. I have written this notice here. Now see, after writing this, you have to mention the name and designation. Here I have written the particular person's name, Anita Gupta, because in our question this name is given here, and that's why I have written this. See friends, I hope that you understood how to write a notice. Okay, some examples are required that I will send by the PDF. Okay, by making some PDF, I will send that examples of notice for your better understanding. So I hope that you how to write a notice, what you have to do while writing the notice, that point you have understood very well. So friends, thank you very much. Here we have completed this section. Okay, thank you very much.